Greetings all. Welcome to episode number 39 of Monday Morning Motivation. And the topic for today is vertical over horizontal. Recently, I had a trip to Europe where I met entrepreneurs in London, Paris, and Dubai over multiple conferences. I got the opportunity to interact with multiple entrepreneurs. Some of them are very successful. One of the key learning for me from that interaction is most of them had got one deep expertise and they have spent their life 20-25 years on that particular expertise and very deep on that, and they have made a huge money and a great success and impacted many life. But but the human mind want different chocolates. It does something for 3 years, it get bored, and it want to do another thing for another 3 years and keep going. Then we become a jack of all trades, but become a master of none. But these successful people, what they did is they innovate, they continuously learn, they upgrade themselves in that particular expertise or in one particular domain or one particular function, but they stick to that particular domain or function for many years, and then they achieve greatness. So the message for this week, my friends, is what is the one thing, one domain or one skill or one expertise where you are world class, where you are ready to spend many more years to come, and you already spent many more years, so that you are the best in the world in that particular skill or expertise or domain or function. So vertical over horizontal. That is a message for this week. Have a great year. Have a wonderful life. Thank you and see you soon.